All right, guys, welcome back. I'm going to walk you through a trade I took on July 19th. Get behind the trade as well. I'm going to walk you through also kind of how I set up my charts for the day, what I look at, the price levels, and whatnot. At around 9 o'clock, I started looking at the charts, and I have a couple price levels, and I made these in the morning before the market opened. 19,962 looked interesting to me just because we kind of bounced off it quite a bit in the overnight session. So I put it on the chart just to see what would happen. And we have the overnight high at 19,980, and we have the overnight low at 19,753, which is this red trend line here. Also, VWAP was touched quite a bit on the overnight session. Every time we hit VWAP, we broke it with quite a bit of momentum, and you can see throughout the overnight that is true the entire night. My idea is that if we break VWAP, we probably will, break it with enough momentum to, get a trade out of it. So, and that's what I did. I placed a trade, anticipating the break of VWAP. Let's play this out, see what happens. So coming close to VWAP here. And there you go. We break VWAP. You continue to move down. So let me switch to the trade of 8 screen where I take my trades, and you'll actually see me place that trade. And here we are. I have my trade sitting at 19,886, waiting for the break of VWAP. VWAP is not on the screen, but I placed it where it would be. And then where you go, it hits my order. We sell right through it, and I hit my my profit target, and I have a profit of 1,043 for the day. And after this, I did not trade again just because I am on the one and done rule right now. But moving forward, I do want to show you guys some good setups that happen throughout the day. So fast forwarding this a little bit. Here at 9:45, we have our opening range being established. The lower bound opening range is at 19,835. And the upper bound of the opening range is at 19,976. Those are two levels we want to be paying attention to. If we break the lower bound, we're probably going to break it with quite a bit of momentum. If we break the upper bound, we're probably going to break it with quite a bit of momentum as well, especially since we have it's so close to being near our overnight session high, which is at 19,980. So let's play it out, see what happens. All right, so now we have something interesting forming right here. This is a pretty common chart pattern. It's called the descending triangle. It's a bearish chart pattern. It's called the descending triangle because it is essentially a triangle that price stays in. And what we are looking for with the descending triangle is something like this. And then a big move down. And let's see what happens and how this plays out. I'm just going to play it real quick. So and there you go. We break the lower bound of the opening range. We keep selling off for a little bit. We get very close to this overnight low. We do some retracing back up to VWAP. We reject VWAP. We come back down to test these overnight lows again. We break the overnight low. We sell through them. And there you have it. And so I just want to show you guys how important it is to, mark up your charts, before you start trading, before the market opens, so you guys can kind of know what you're looking for, where you would place your trades beforehand, and not just go into the market blind. But all right, that's all I have for you guys today. Appreciate you guys listening. Thank you. See you next time.